Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by making a full backup and removing account locks so the device can be erased cleanly. Once your backup finishes, sign out of iCloud or Google and turn off Find My or Activation Lock, because those prevent reactivation. Make sure the device has adequate battery or stays plugged in. Network access helps with license removal and downloading updates later. Now open Settings and locate the System Reset or Factory Erase option so you can initiate the wipe immediately. Now follow the system prompts to perform the actual erase. Select Erase All Content and Settings or the platform's Secure Wipe mode. The difference matters if you need data irrecoverability versus simple restore. Confirm the selections and enter your device PIN, admin password, or recovery key when asked. Once the operation begins, the system may encrypt and then delete files. This takes time. Make sure not to force shutdown or remove power during this critical middle stage. And after the erase completes, the device will reboot into initial setup or recovery. You can restore from your backup now or set it up as new to avoid carrying over issues. Once set up, update firmware and reinstall apps and re-enable security features. If the device won't boot, show an error, or seems stuck, boot into recovery mode or connect to the vendor's restore tool and retry the erase there. If activation lock persists, confirm account removal or provide proof of ownership to support.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.